Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cleaning wipes is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of hearing aid maintenance, yet it's absolutely critical for keeping your devices in top condition. Over time, hearing aids accumulate earwax, oils, and debris that can affect their performance and lifespan. In this video, we'll dive into the world of hearing aid cleaning wipes, exploring what makes a great wipe, and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. AudioWipes and Liberty Hearing Aid Battery Keychain. These towelettes are designed to clean your hearing aids and other devices. It is safe to use on various materials and won't cause any harm to you. The wipes are alcohol-free, ensuring they are safe for your devices. The active ingredient is quaternary ammonium chloride, which is effective in cleaning. You can use it on hearing aids, earphones, headphones, and more. It is safe for rubber, plastic, silicone, and acrylic surfaces. The wipes come in a large canister, making them very economical. It's also portable and convenient for use anywhere. You'll receive 2 large canisters, each with 160 wipes, plus a Liberty hearing aid battery keychain. This bundle provides everything you need for your hearing aid care. What we like? This bundle offers a massive 320 wipes, ensuring you're well stocked for months. It's also incredibly economical, providing excellent value for your money. If you're looking for a long-lasting, cost-effective solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Use for cleaning my hearing aids every night. Perfect size, just the right size without any waste. Good amount of moisture for cleaning. They work great. Really helps keep my hearing aids clean. Number 4. AudioWipes Cleaning Towelettes and Liberty Battery Keychain. These individual cleaning towelettes are designed for your hearing aids and other devices. They are safe and effective for cleaning hard surfaces. The alcohol-free formula won't damage rubber, plastic, silicone, or acrylic. It's safe for you and your devices. Each box contains 30 individually packaged wipes, perfect for on-the-go cleaning. They are very portable and easy to use. Each wipe measures 5 by 8, providing ample cleaning surface. This makes it easy to clean your devices. You'll receive a box of 30 audio wipes and a Liberty hearing aid battery keychain. This is a great value for your hearing aid care. What we like? These wipes come individually packaged, making them super portable and convenient. They are perfect for on-the-go cleaning, fitting easily in your pocket or bag. If you travel frequently or need a quick, easy cleaning solution, this is the ideal option. What people say. Each wipe is individually wrapped. These wipes work well in keeping your hearing aids fresh and sanitary. These wipes for hearing aids are easy to use and very conveniently contained in individual packets. Number 3. Timgle 200 Count Hearing Aid Wipes. Never worry about running out of cleaning supplies. This pack includes a generous 200 wipes, saving you time and energy. These wipes are perfectly sized for your devices. The wipes provide great cleaning coverage and are very convenient to use. These wipes are a great addition to your hearing aids, ear molds, and earphones. They help keep your devices in good shape, improving their lifespan and effectiveness. These wipes are gentle and soft, making them easy to use. They work quickly and effectively, and require no special skills. Take these wipes with you wherever you go. They fit easily in your luggage or backpack, ensuring you have clean hearing aids and earphones at all times. What we like? With a generous 200 count, you won't run out anytime soon. They're gentle yet effective, suitable for various devices. If you like having a large supply of wipes that are safe for your devices, then this is the one for you. What people say. These worked great, although they are fairly large. 5" by 7" I found if I cut it into 4 pieces. I actually get 4 cleaning pads, so with a box of 200 I have 800, well worth it. They're much larger than necessary for cleaning my hearing aids, but they work well. These are alcohol-free and do a nice job, and they weren't very expensive. Number 2. AudioWipe Singles 100 Count. Introducing AudioWipe Singles. These individually wrapped towelettes are designed to clean a variety of devices. It is alcohol-free and won't harm rubber, plastic, silicone, or acrylic. You can use it safely on your devices. It is safe to handle and won't cause any harm to the user. This product is designed with your safety in mind. AudioWipes singles are very economical, portable, and convenient. You can take it anywhere with you. Keep your hearing aids, earbuds, and other devices clean with ease. It is the perfect solution for on-the-go cleaning. What we like. These individually wrapped wipes are alcohol-free and safe for your devices and skin. They are designed for cleaning a variety of surfaces. If you are looking for a simple, safe, and effective cleaning solution, then this is a great choice. What people say. So convenient. I was previously using a spray cleaner and a cloth. I was going to reorder a spray when I found these individual packs. They're so easy to keep in a purse, by your bedside, or wherever. The sheet itself is generously sized, and cleans my aid very quickly. Definitely recommend. Every evening, I use these wipes on my hearing aids, have used them for several years. They work great. Good price for individually wrapped wipes. Handy for traveling. Excellent for keeping hearing aids clean. Number 1. Hearing Aid Wipes Cleaning Kit. These wipes are designed for cleaning hearing aids, ear molds, and other audio devices. They make it easy to keep your devices clean and functioning properly. The wipes are alcohol-free, so they won't damage your devices or irritate your skin. They are safe for use on rubber, plastic, silicone, and acrylic materials. Each wipe is individually wrapped for easy daily use. This makes it convenient to carry them with you wherever you go, ensuring you can clean your hearing aids anytime. The kit includes a cleaning brush, vent cleaner, and microfiber cloth. These tools help you thoroughly clean your hearing aids and maintain their performance. With 120 wipes, this kit provides over 60 days of supply. The compact size makes it travel-friendly, fitting easily into your travel pouches. The wipes are 3.5 by 3.5 inches. The outer packing size is shown in the picture. It's a perfect size for cleaning your hearing aids. What we like. This product includes cleaning tools to help you maintain your hearing aids. They are individually packaged for easy use. If you want a complete cleaning kit with extra tools, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These are small, portable, easy to open, and perfect for me and my hearing aids. They work great and don't cause any irritation to my skin. Work well to clean gunk off my hearing aids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.